So consider this some steps, checklist, description, and possible systems to use when starting up a business. So let's go AI. So use an AI tool to streamline your daily operations and your decision making. Use ChatGPT or something similar to help you out all the time. It'll save you so much time. So business registration, so automate your business. Use AI to help you setting stuff up. So answering all the questions that you want. Use ChatGPT or similar. Yeah. Logo templates, so generating any logos you want. Use DALI, you might have your own. Business plan, set up and write a prompt to develop a dynamic AI-driven business plan for your long-term growth. So you understand where you're going for the next 5 years. You have some direction. Use ChatGPT or similar. I'm using ChatGPT. I think it's the better one, but I can be stood corrected. Set up your management plan. You can even automate it with AI. Start simple. Just have a WHS management plan completed through ChatGPT or similar. Insurances and taxes, so you can simplify your insurance policies, filling out your tax obligations, and you can work on it with all the AI. So do it simply and then start building on that later. Same with your licensing. For your financial systems, I still reckon use a Xero or another finance system like QuickBooks or something similar. I really think it's important. I know AI is going to be within that, but you want to start using that straight away. Planning tools. So you can start doing like your own activities list, embedding that within like a bar chart or Microsoft project, but you could do it quicker with ChatGPT. That'll save you so much time. Estimating tool. Look, when you're starting off, you got to use Excel. You need to understand the basic principles for estimating, but from that, start putting the information into ChatGPT so you understand and it helps you improve your speed or your estimating and having a better understanding. Marketing, optimize all your marketing strategies within AI and then build on that. Use ChatGPT or similar. I'm cautious with the contracts, but I'd be using fair trading, HIA or MBA. You might be a member, you can use fair trading, but I'd actually start putting that into the ChatGPT or the AI system you're using just to check on stuff. Make sure you be very, very careful with putting in any private information. Quality checks, you can set them up with Excel, but you can get them powered with AI to help you. Research and development, that's sort of further down the track. Just try all types and see what's best to use. Here's a real good one. So when you're building, why don't you use AI to help you with the manufacturer's guidelines and how stuff's being installed? Hope that helps.